Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your UAE Pass app not working issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead first, check your internet connection, because if you're trying to activate some kind of security and use the app but internet connection is not strong, then that could cause the issue. Or if it's cutting on and off in between, then that can also be the issue. So make sure to change to another network or change to cellular data. Once you're good to go, again open your app. If it still doesn't work, then go ahead uninstall the app itself. Make sure to remember your account information. It might ask again to add in. Then go to your Play Store, type in UAE Pass right over here, tap on this download option, get option, then your apps will start being installed, and go back to your app's home screen, add in your information again, and get started and start working in it. It will simply work out perfectly fine. And if that doesn't help, make sure to delete the app itself and again do reinstall, or you can delete the cache file from the settings as well. And that is how easy it is to solve it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.